Hi everybody. Today our caterpillars arrived in this box right here from Texas, and Rhianna and Evan and I brought them home and we put together the cookie dough food. We used the cookie dough food and we mixed it with some of this water right here. We had to get distilled water. And then we put all of the cookie dough food into these little tiny containers. Evan is going to pick one up and show us what it looks like small. He's going to put it up close. Oh, there we go. See, there's a little caterpillar in there, and the food's at the bottom and the caterpillar's at the top. And then we had some extra ones because there's 30 caterpillars right there, 15 for Miss Jeldon's, 15 for Mrs. DeRay's. And then we had some extras. You can see there's the container. So we put it in this big glass bowl, and we've got caterpillars running around everywhere.
Yeah, and go up.
You can see all the extras.
See, and there's one right there.
Yep. And we put a different lid on it, and it's got holes on it.
Yep. Holes?
And we also brought home the other chrysalis that's working on itself way down there.
Right there.
We've seen it wiggle a little bit. We will keep track of what happens with our caterpillars over the weekend, and you'll get to see them at school on Monday.